The video is made for BCom second semester students for basic English subject for Karnataka University, Dharwad. The video is presented by Prabal Jagdish Roddarnavar, Assistant Professor of English, Shri K.H. Patil, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti, Gadag. Revision of the short story The Diamond Necklace by Guy de Maupassant. Mathilde Loisel is pretty and charming, but feels she has been born into a family of unfavorable economic status. She was married off to a lowly clerk in the Ministry of Education, who can afford to provide her only with a modest, though not uncomfortable lifestyle. Mathilde feels the burden of her poverty intensely. She regrets about her condition in life a lot and spends endless hours imagining a more extravagant existence. While her husband expresses his pleasure at the small, modest supper she has prepared for him, she dreams of an elaborate feast served on fancy china and eaten in the company of wealthy friends. She possesses no fancy jewels or clothing, yet these are the only things she lives for. Without them, she feels she is not desirable. She has one wealthy friend, Madame Forrester, but refuses to visit her because of the heartbreak it brings her. One night, her husband returns home proudly, bearing an invitation to a formal party hosted by the Ministry of Education. He hopes that Mathilde will be thrilled with the chance to attend an event of this sort. But she is instantly angry and begins to cry. Through her tears, she tells him that she has nothing to wear and he ought to give the invitation to one of his friends whose wife can afford better clothing. Her husband is upset by her reaction and asks how much a suitable dress would cost. She thinks about it carefully and tells him that 400 francs would be enough. Her husband quietly barks at the sum but agrees that she may have the money. As the day of the party approaches, Mathilde starts to behave oddly. She confesses that the reason for her behavior is her lack of jewels. Mr. Loisel suggests that she wear flowers, but she refuses. He implores her to visit Madame Forrester and borrow something from her. Madame Forrester agrees to lend Mathilde her jewels, and Mathilde selects a diamond necklace. She is overcome with gratitude at Madame Forrester's generosity. At the party, Mathilde is the most beautiful woman in attendance, and everyone notices her. She is intoxicated by the attention and has an overwhelming sense of self-satisfaction. At 4 a.m., she finally looks for Mr. Loisel, who has been dozing for hours in a deserted room. He cloaks her bare shoulders in a wrap and cautions her to wait inside, away from the cold night air, while he fetches a cab. But she is ashamed at the shabbiness of her wrap and follows Mr. Loisel outside. They walk for a while before hailing a cab. When they finally return home, Mathilde is saddened that the night has ended. As she removes her wrap, she discovers that her necklace is no longer around her neck. In a panic, Mr. Loisel goes outside and retraces their steps. Terrified, she sits and waits for him. He returns home much later in an even greater panic. He has not found the necklace. He instructs her to write to Madame Forrester and say that she has broken the clasp of the necklace and is getting it mended. They continue to look for the necklace. After a week, Mr. Loisel says they have to see about replacing it. They visit many jewelers searching for a similar necklace and finally find one. It costs 40,000 francs. Although the jeweler says he will give it to them for 36,000. The Loisels spend a week scrapping up money from all kinds of sources, mortgaging the rest of their existence. After 3 days, Mr. Loisel purchases the necklace. When Mathilde returns the necklace in its case to Madame Forrester is annoyed at how long it has taken to get it back, but does not open the case to inspect it. Mathilde is relieved. The Loisels began to live a life of crippling poverty. They dismiss their servant and move into an even smaller apartment. Mr. Loisel works 3 jobs and Mathilde spends all her time doing the heavy housework. This misery lasts for 10 years, but at the end they have repaid their financial debts. Mathilde's extraordinary beauty is now gone. She looks just like the other women of poor households. They are both tired and irrevocably damaged from these years of hardship. One Sunday, while she is out for a walk, Mathilde spots Madame Forrester. Feeling emotional, she approaches her and offers greetings. Madame Forrester does not recognize her, and when Mathilde identifies herself, Madame Forrester cannot help but exclaim that she looks different. Mathilde says that the change was on her account and explains to her the long saga of losing the necklace, replacing it, and working for 10 years to repay the debts. At the end of her story, Madame Forrester tells Mathilde the original necklace was just costume jewelry and not worth anything. Objective type questions. Who is the writer of the short story The Diamond Necklace? The answer is Guy de Maupassant. Name the girl who marries a clerk in the Department of Education. The answer is Mathilde. Who is the rich friend of Mathilde Loisel? The answer is Madame Forrester. Who invites the Loisels for the party? The answer is the Minister of Education. Why does Mathilde Loisel not want to join the party when her husband shows her the invitation card? The answer is because she doesn't even have a proper dress to wear. How much does Mathilde's dress cost? The answer is 400 francs. Who was saving money to buy a gun? The answer is Mr. Loisel. Which matter does upset Mathilde when the party day comes closer? The answer is that Mathilde does not even have a jewel to wear on. Whom does Mathilde ask for the diamond necklace? The answer is Madame Forrester. Who is the center of attraction at the ball party? The answer is Mathilde. What does Mathilde lose after the ball party? The answer is the diamond necklace. Where do Mathilde and her husband find a look-alike diamond necklace? The answer is at Palais Royal. How much do the Loisels pay for the diamond necklace? The answer is 36,000 francs. Whom does Mathilde meet at the end of 10 years? The answer is Madame Forrester. What was the actual price of the lost diamond necklace? The answer is 500 francs.